Visit our website to start your Spanish learning journey.
Laura está patinando. Ellos están haciendo su tarea. When are all these actions taking place? You are right. They are happening in this very moment. This construction is called presente progresivo. In Spanish, the present progressive tense expresses action that is occurring at the moment, action that is in progress. It is equivalent to the English present progressive. Carlos está pintando. This tense is used to express an action that is in progress and an action that is happening right now. It is formed by conjugating estar in the present tense and adding the gerund of the main verb. The gerund is the ing form of a verb in English. Now, there is something very important that you should know about this tense. In English, the present progressive tense can be used to describe what is happening right now as well as what will happen in the future. However, in Spanish, we use present progressive to talk about an action that is happening right now. Estoy cantando en este momento. I'm singing right now. But I cannot use this same sentence to express a future idea. ¿Estoy cantando el viernes que viene? No, that is not correct. For a future action, we have to use ir plus a plus infinitive. Remember? Voy a cantar el viernes que viene. Now, very important. Notice that we never use gerund, gerundio, to state our opinions, as in English. We never say, conjugando verbos es difícil.
No.
Haciendo ejercicio es recomendable.
No.
Comiendo verduras es saludable.
No.
No, we don't say that. In Spanish, gerund is used for present continuous tense, but this form is never used to express general opinions. Instead, we use infinitives. Conjugar verbos es difícil. Hacer ejercicio es recomendable. Comer verduras es saludable.